The strategy I will be demonstrating is a vocabulary strategy called the PAVE procedure. This is for 5th grade science, and here are my teaks. This procedure was one that was developed to encourage students to check the dictionary definition of a word and compare it to what they originally thought the meaning of the word was based on context clues from a passage. Through the use of a PAVE map, which looks like this, students can use the PAVE procedure to help them associate meaning with the word through sentences, pictures, and the dictionary definition. PAVE stands for Predict, Associate, Verify, and Evaluate. So we have this sentence over energy and photosynthesis that reads, "Every living thing needs energy in order to live. Every time animals do something, they use energy to do so. Animals get energy from the food they eat, and all living things get energy from food. Plants use sunlight, water, and nutrients to get energy in a process called photosynthesis. Energy is necessary to living things to grow." So our vocabulary word for this is photosynthesis, which you'd have the students write in this box. And now you're going to do the first step of the PAVE procedure, which is to predict the definition of photosynthesis. So you could pretty much make up anything you thought it was based on the context clues, but I'm just going to say the process that plants use to get their food from the sun. Let's have students write it in that first box. And next, you're going to have them write one good sentence using the word photosynthesis that demonstrates an understanding of its meaning from your predicted definition. So, for example, I'll write the flower use photosynthesis to make its own food and grow taller. And now you're going to do the third step, which is to verify the meaning of the word by looking it up in the dictionary. So a lot of students have access to computers now, but if not, most of the time you have them in a classroom, just a regular dictionary in a classroom. But I'm just going to look it up on the computer. So this one is from an encyclopedia, and it says photosynthesis is the process by which green plants and certain other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. During photosynthesis in green plants, light energy is captured and used to convert water, carbon dioxide, and minerals into oxygen and energy-rich organic compounds. So I'm just going to copy and paste this onto my Word document. And so then you have it all in one place so you can kind of go back and compare everything. And now what you're going to do, or have the students do, is write another good sentence on their own, but this time it's going to be based upon the verified definition. So this one will probably be a little bit longer just because the students are going to know more about what the word really means from the dictionary. So for example, we could say the green leaves on the plant absorbed the sunlight and converted it into chemical energy to grow. So now we have the sentence from the text that we were reading, and then our word that we're looking at, which is photosynthesis. our predicted definition, a sentence based on that predicted definition, the verified definition from a dictionary, and then another good sentence based on the verified definition. And then the last step is going to be to have the students draw a picture or a symbol to associate that word with something that they kind of already know, or just give them a good picture of what photosynthesis really looks like. So since I can't draw on this, I'm just going to look up a picture. So this is a pretty good picture of photosynthesis because it shows a plant using energy from the sun and carbon dioxide and water, and then converting it into food and then putting off oxygen. So then I'll just put this on my paper as well. And we'll kind of make it smaller. That way you can see it all together. So now we have everything together, and everything kind of makes a little bit more sense. So this is the PAVE procedure, my strategy that I have demonstrated, and I hope you enjoyed my video.